Alright, good day guys, Mark here again, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you love cars and DIYs, please consider subscribing and check out my playlist. Alright, so no DIYs for today. I'm just gonna share with you guys a quick video on the things that I encounter or we encounter when we do maintenance in our cars. Just like this morning, I actually shot a video for removing the stereo panel for the Hyundai Eon. I thought of might as well clean the cabin filter and the AC blower of my air conditioning system, and you'll be surprised what I found out. Um, that got stuck on the cabin filter. I don't know if you guys remember, a few weeks ago I did do a DIY evaporator cleaning using the foam spray that I have. So aside from um, the dirt and grime, the molds flushing out of the drain hose below the evaporator, some actually got trapped on the cabin filter, and I'll show you those clips. Okay, so just wanted to share right about before I returned the glove compartment, I thought of just um, checking the cabin filter state, and check that out, guys. Check that out. Remember, I did a video on cleaning the air can evaporator, where I sprayed the foam here and here. Um, those are some debris that came out of the vents. These are actually worn out insulations. As you can see, it turns into powder when you touch it. Okay. That is not good for your air conditioning system, especially your evaporator. This will definitely clog it out. Okay, so I'm just gonna clean that first, and we're gonna test our DIY for today. Cabin filter is now cleaned. I'm just gonna return it and return the glove box. We'll test out everything. Um, so if some of you guys are asking if I do have a video, yes, I do. Please check out the playlist for the tutorial on how to clean your cabin filter, replace, or even clean the blower. And guys, I think this is worth sharing. Right after I finished the reinstallation of the stereo panel, I actually thought of just cleaning the cabin filter and the AC blower. Mine is still clean, but there you can see there are dirt already building up, so might as well clean and re-lubricate this. I do have a video on how to clean this, but the reason why I wanted to share is if you guys are doing DIYs and you are able to access some parts, you might want to, clean or maybe lubricate something, since you've already removed or you will be accessing that certain part, just to save you time, and your time will be well spent in terms of maintaining your car. Okay, so that's the after. Just could the blower lubricated, and you can see there's still grease. I re-greased it, and there you go. It didn't even take me about 10 minutes to clean this. Alright, so I'm gonna put this back together. Alright, so those are the clips of the AC blower, the cabin filter, and I just wanted to tell you guys that when you're doing DIYs, maintaining, like I mentioned on the other clip, if you're gonna access, let's say you're gonna do removal of the center console of your Hyundai Eon. Remember the video that I have? I actually, after removing the center console, I did re-grease the shifter knob, clean and re-lubricate the cable. So if you're gonna work on one thing, if you can work on another thing on the same area, might as well do it, so you can, save more time and save more time at the end instead of doing it individually. And if you have the time, try to do it systematically. Okay. Yeah, that's basically it. I think the stereo panel removal might be the last of the DIYs for now. Since it's my oil change is due around July. My gear oil change is I just changed my gear oil around 40, so I'm only at 68. I might change it together with the timing belt. What else? But if you have any suggestions, you have any questions for the DIY, please feel free to comment down below. I'm gonna answer if I can do it for you guys or no. Yeah, let me know. Let me know if you have any suggestions. Okay. So thank you so much for joining me on this quick vlog, this video, for the 1,355 that believes and supports me. Thank you so much, guys. What else? Keep on sharing, subscribing, and liking the videos. I really, really, really appreciate it. If you comment, I checked it individually and try to answer it as best as I can. Okay. Again, this is Mark. Thank you so much. Until our next video.